Alright, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today, Chef Dom and I are going to show you how to make fried pork chops with an Italian twist. We also call it Milanese, but this has the bone. We really like cooking pork on the bone because it really enhances the flavor. Anyway, it's really easy to make and it's quick and it seems like you've slaved all day.
And some spicy cherry peppers.
Yeah.
They go great with pork.
Oh yeah.
All right, that's enough. Let's get cooking. All right, guys, today we're doing some fried pork chops today, and they're gonna be dynamite. First, I'm gonna pound them out a little bit. This way they cook fast. I leave the fat on there for flavor. You can trim them if you don't, if it's too much or whatever, but just leave them on there. Just, if you don't want to eat them, don't eat them, but leave them on there for flavor.
Oh, absolutely. Alright, like I said earlier, when we make Milanese, we typically use pork tenderloin. But these pork chops really, actually the bone, really gives the meat a little extra flavor.
We're going to season the pork chops a little bit, a little salt and pepper. Alright, now we're going to bread our pork chops and then we're going to fry them. Alright, we got our, getting ready to put our eggs in there. Got the flour. I'm going to season up the flour a little bit.
Just a little salt and pepper.
That's it. Alright, now we're going to crack our eggs. All right, we're going to season the egg with a little grated cheese, Parmesan cheese, some parsley, a little salt, the pepper, a little garlic in there, and that's it.
All right,
I'm going to get started here.
First dip it in flour.
A little flour.
Oh yeah.
A little wash.
Man, those are gonna be some good pork chops.
Yeah.
Very nice. Oh yeah.
That's it.
All right, excellent. All right, last one. Hey, do you know who the smartest pig is?
Miss Piggy?
No. Albert Weinstein.
Who?
No. Do you know who the smartest pig is? Albert Einstein.
Kidding me?
I had to throw a pork joke in there. All right, these are ready to go. Let's start up the sauce now.
Today we're gonna do sauce with muti tomatoes. They're cherry tomatoes, actually. All right, let's cook this over. That's plenty.
Yeah. That's hot.
Some olive oil.
Olio.
Onions in there first. All right, then we're gonna put up our cherry tomatoes.
Very nice.
Beautiful. All right, now we're gonna throw our garlic in there.
All right.
Cook for another minute or so, and then Put the basil and the tomatoes in there, with salt and pepper, that's it. All right, we're gonna throw some fresh basil in there too, fry it up a little bit.
Man, it smells amazing already. Very nice. We're gonna add a little kick to it today. We're gonna add some calabrese red chili peppers.
Ooh, that's gonna be spicy.
It's gonna kind of be like arrabbiata.
We got our calabrese. Looks like paste.
Look at that.
Spicy. Want to put the whole jar in it?
Yeah, right. 1 little teaspoon.
Oh, I know, man.
Very, very spicy.
That's it?
Yeah, that's perfect.
That's it.
That's enough. Perfect.
Oh, what a beautiful smell.
Yeah.
All right, now we'll throw the tomatoes in there. They're really good. I just had one out of the can. They're so sweet. Put salt and pepper in there. This should probably take about 30 minutes to cook.
Yeah.
Brush them up a little bit.
All right, we'll be back.
All right, we're gonna fry up our pork chops now.
Using olive oil, of course. Giant Italian pork chops. You can't cook with Crisco, that's for sure. What we're gonna do is we're gonna fry them up 3/4 of the way, and then we're gonna finish them off in the oven.
They're all big.
I know. Oh, there we go. Oh, man.
All right, we're gonna flip these babies over.
Oh, yeah. Oh, nice.
Let them cook on that side for a couple of minutes. Put them in a sheet pan, and then we'll roast them in the oven for a little while because it'll still have blood, you know, near close to the bone of the meat. So
Yeah, if we didn't have the bone on
you want
it.
to make sure that it's cooked.
Oh, yeah, that's beautiful.
And we're gonna take these out now, put them on the pan so we can
Finish them off.
finish them off in the oven.
All right. Next victim. All right. Coming together, baby. Coming together. Oh, man, that's beautiful. Ah, very nice. All right, we've got the oven on 400 degrees.
Yeah. And then probably leave these in for about 10 minutes or so.
Yeah.
10,
Look,
maybe a little longer.
that'd be perfect. All right, we'll be back. All right, take out the sauce. How's
All
it
right,
coming
this is looking good.
Oh, man.
Maybe another 15 minutes or so.
That's beautiful.
20 minutes.
Excellent.
Oh man, it smells so good.
Oh, yeah. All right, we're going to start cooking up the pasta now.
Some salt in there. We're gonna throw our pasta in there.
Nice.
All right, we're gonna take our pork chops out now. I think they're ready. They've been in there for about 15 minutes or so, maybe longer, but they are gonna be juicy.
Oh, very nice. All right, pasta's just about ready. We're ready to eat.
All right, our ziti's ready.
Very nice.
We're gonna put a little sauce in there just to
Loosen it up a little bit. Yeah, you got to put sauce in there.
I suggest wearing an apron when you eat this, or a
yeah.
bib.
Definitely.
My God, what a beautiful smell.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's nothing like Italian food.
Yeah, it's the best food in the world. Ah, look at that. It's beautiful. Put some parsley on
I am
there.
ready to eat.
All right. Man, look at that dish. Oh. All right.
Let's get it to the table.
All right, we're going to dig into this
Looking
feast.
good,
Let's
looking good.
taste it.
Here, have a pork chop.
Thank you very much. Grab one of these spicy cherry peppers here.
What, no pasta on this side?
Oh,
Come
heck
on.
yeah. Oh, man, that's perfect. Cheese. Put some cheese on there. All right, first we're going to taste this pork chop. Oh, man.
Oh, is it good?
Moist, tender. Very good. It sets out this ziti all'arrabbiata.
Oh, wow.
Man, that sauce came out really good. Anyway, hey, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out. And we also selling merch. If you notice Chef Dom's apron, We have Brooklyn Brothers shirts, aprons, hats, all kinds of things. Anyway, we appreciate the subscribers and we'll see you guys next recipe. Take care.
Thank you.